That is worse.
No, I'm not saying.
That is way
I'm not being sexual. I'm distracting.
I suppose सिंघम मुझे होता हाँ जाओ देते चला जाओ यार.
But then
भाई साहब का पढ़ाई तो बहुत अच्छा है. मजा तो आता है. मुझे भी पढ़ना चाहिए था.
Okay, she really loved Chinese food, right? Not Sagar type, like good Chinese food, okay? And no triple Szechuan with my
chicken
mother.
chopper rice.
No, she will chop her. So
Kawa
we would do
Manchurian.
is, yes.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Ma Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Ma Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है माँ कसम भाईचारा रहे भाईचारा माँ कसम हुआ जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ
Okay, so these are the really short stories that we've gotten, and it's just so fascinating to see कि लोगों के लाइफ में क्या क्या चीजें होती हैं.
Yeah.
The things that they witness, okay, such as this guy. We helped the cops catch a thief on Marine Drive after a drunk night out.
With the cop. अबे चोर.
So this was a story that took place during their engineering days. Okay, so he writes, during engineering days, we used to go out drinking after exams and spend the night on Marine Drive.
Spend the night.
Spend the night. Okay, so exam khatam hua, ye log daru piya, and they went straight to Marine Drive. And what they would do is they would hang around there. Then they waited for the first train to come back. That first train used to start at 5 in the morning. So it's 5 in the morning. These guys have spent the night drinking at Marine Drive, and now they've gotten to get up to get the train. At this point, they see two men, scruffy-looking men, running towards them. Okay, and behind these two men was one cop running after these two men.
ये क्या चोर है सुबह 5 बजे चोरी कर रहे हैं यार. किन एसहोल चोर्स. ये लोग बहुत सारे ऐसे गैरी वी के वीडियोस देख रहे हैं. 5 बजे करना चाहिए सब कुछ. 4 AM क्लब.
So, cop is running after these two scruffy men. Now, the cop caught one of these men. Oh. Yeah.
That's shocking. What happened? Did he fall? Did he get stuck in a clothesline?
Was he injured or something?
So, now here's where it gets amazing. The cop caught one of these men and handed this man to my friend.
Oh shit.
and said, इसको पकड़ के रख, मैं दूसरे के पीछे जा रहा हूँ.
Fuck. क्या स्टैमिना है लेकिन यार पुलिस वाले में.
ये सब्जी है क्या? ये थैली पकड़ में आ रहा हूँ.
ये मेरा बैग का ध्यान रखना. मैं जरा टॉयलेट हो गया तो.
What the
Now, saying this, the cop has bolted, leaving this one thief with two engineering boys. Two drunk engineering boys.
Yeah.
Now he writes, my friend's inner Singham got awakened.
वो मार रहा है उसको.
And he literally grabbed the thief by his collar and didn't let him go. The thief pleaded.
To technically not law enforcement. To just two drunk guys. Imagine the thief, how he is feeling. Like, fuck, मेरे को ये चूतियों से भीख मांगनी पड़ी.
वो बोल रहे हैं जाओ दे स्टूडेंट है. अरे हम मैं भी स्टूडेंट है.
It gets better. Eventually, after 30 minutes.
Oh fuck.
30 minutes.
Why can't he escape with his
सीधा मार और भाग.
तुझे शर्ट खोल के
I like कि तू शर्ट पकड़ा और वो खोल रहा है और तू देख रहा है उसको. क्या कर रहा है? अरे ओ
अरे वो
I
चोर
should have got
है,
it.
एक ही तो स्किल सेट है उसका, राइट ऑफ हैंड.
मैं ऐसे बात करूंगा, अरे साहब जाओ दे ना.
That is worse.
No, I'm not saying.
That is worse.
I'm not being sexual. I'm distracting.
I suppose सिंगम हो जाता. हाँ जाओ देते. चला चला जाओ या.
अबे मैं शर्ट से निकलने बोल रहा हूँ.
आता माझीसाठी
I don't understand. Wait, what a thief, yeah.
eventually after 30 minutes the cop didn't return. So we let him go.
Bro, I think at some point in time the thief must have seen it. अरे तेरे पास old monk है, सुनना अपनी बैठ के पीते हैं. छोड़ जाने दे.
But just to see this one incident from different perspectives. Right? So first the perspective of the cop, right, who has seen these two scruffy men. He's like, चल इनको दबोचता हूँ. ठीक है? He has caught one guy. He said, fuck, I have only one.
No, and then he has had to run first.
Well, you know what would be great? You know how cops hold the thief by the hand like this. तो उसने बोला है कि चल अभी भाग. अभी ये लोग साकली खेल रहे हैं और दूसरे वाले को पकड़ रहे हैं.
But what a high trust society model. इसको बोले और बोल तो ये लोग ईमानदार लग रहे हैं.
और उन लोग ऐसे चल रहे हैं. बोल रहे हैं, सुन. हाँ सर, अबे मैं इधर है. हाँ सर. यस. ये तू इसको पकड़ के रखा. हाँ सर. अबे मैं इधर हूँ. हाँ सर.
अबे मेरे को क्यों पकड़ा? उसको पकड़.
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कंट्रोल में है भाई.
Right, that's why. The second is the perspective of the thieves. Right? कि उसको पकड़ लिया है. Now he's been held by 2 engineering students.
Correct, but the second thief who's running is like, fuck, एक को पकड़ा है, मेरे को भी पकड़ सकता है.
Right? And the last is obviously the engineering boys, right? What would you help out in this situation if you were in this?
I would help out for like 5 minutes.
Bro, if I saw scruffy looking man running, I would run.
No, at this point I would be running from the cop. Because वो मेरे को भी पकड़ के मारेगा. मैं भी तो शराब पी के ऐसा मरीन ड्राइव.
वही बोल रहा हूँ कि अगर ये thief नहीं होता, the cop would be catching these guys.
You know, sometimes I also want to look at it from the perspective of that one morning jogger.
That's what I'm saying. No, and it's, you know, they're walking full speed and this is happening. And he's like, ये cop मेरे से तेज कैसे भागा?
So I'm Advait and I'm an artist. So while I was in college, we have studies. So ऐसा school में there used to be things कि ऐसा creepy बच्चे लोग जो perverts होते हैं. अरे you are an artist, so Titanic देखा है क्या?
So when you say you're an artist, you're like you paint. you sketch.
Yeah, I paint. Yes, yeah. So for me, it was all normalized because मेरे घर पे I had books. I had books of like legendary artists and they were
Nudes,
they were
you've
nudes.
seen that.
Yeah, nude paintings. So
You specialize in nude paintings? No, I'm asking.
Exactly
No,
like
I-
this. This is what he was saying.
yeah, like I mean,
यही हो रहा है उसके क्लास में. यही एग्जाम वेल डन.
पूछ रहा हूँ यार.
no, I mean I specialize in portraiture. So in portrait, so to make a portrait, you have to study a whole
Anatomy and
Yeah.
So
वैसे ये प्लेबॉय क्यों है? अरे पापा पढ़ाई होमवर्क कर रहा हूँ पापा.
Anatomy.
So while in college, like we have studies. So we have assignments where we have to paint nudes. So while I was in my previous house, my maid, like the help that comes घर पे, they were used to it because like बचपन से देखा था वो लोगों ने भी
They were
मतलब.
used to seeing naked men or women in your.
Oh yeah, I mean, so when I used to sketch or when I used to paint, you need to dry the painting. So I used to put it on my wall.
Okay.
Yeah. So in the morning when they used to come, they used to see and like they knew कि it is for his studies and all. But then
भाई
recently,
साहब का पढ़ाई तो बहुत अच्छा है. मजा तो आता है. मुझे भी पढ़ना चाहिए था.
क्यों पढ़ाई से भाग गया मैं?
so I mean, so 3 years back we shifted to another place, and so we had to get another help at a home. So initially, like I also get commissions. So when I shifted, the commissions were basically some mythological paintings and all. So it was all mythology, some deities and all. So she was like, यार साहब, I mean बाबा is very religious. He is very ऐसा एकदम nice boy. So तो वो लोग कैसा बिल्डिंग में बहुत लोग के पास काम वाम करते हैं तो सबके पास जाके शी यूज्ड टू से बाबा इज वेरी नाइस हाँ ऐसा बहुत गुणी है करके शी यूज्ड टू से
कि भगवान का पिंडिंग
हाँ ऐसा करके सो मतलब वो ड्राई करने के लिए रखता था तो वहीं पे था वो सब एंड देन वन फाइन डे
Oh shit.
असली माल निकला.
I bought a bunch from my college because वो ड्राई करने के लिए रखने का था सो घर पे आई बॉट सो वहाँ पे ऐसा मतलब बड़ा घर पे स्टूडियो है सो वहाँ पे ऐसा सब न्यूड्स मैंने प्लेस कर दिया एक करके
Oh,
so
shit.
there's this male nude female nude ऐसा काफी सारा था
बाबा
she was traumatized like the whole time she came she couldn't speak like वो my mom was ऐसा like weirded out कि ये मतलब रोज आती तो बात करती है अरे कैसे हो क्या हो यहाँ जाके वहाँ जाके आज आई तो कुछ बात नहीं मतलब पहले स्टूडियो में ही काम किया
मैंने सांप
तो ऐसा
का
straight
देखा
face.
अच्छा कमरा
Shell shock. This
Yeah.
is the definition of shell shock.
She came with a straight face कुछ मम्मी से बात नहीं किया went in the room सब वेट करके वो मैं निकलती हुई यूजुअली वो बोलती है कि आई लीव करके वो भी नहीं बोली शी जस्ट लेफ्ट नेवर केम बैक
ब्रो उसने ऐसे करके सडन नेक्स्ट नीचे के फ्लोर के ऊपर का बाबा ना बहुत हरामी है वो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है
अरे
वो सब फ्लोर पे जाके बोल गए टिंग टोंग मैं आपके घर पे काम नहीं करती लेकिन बोलती हूँ ऊपर वाला बाबा बहुत हरामी है
she did that
Yeah.
yeah
Ah, then the watchman, you're coming out, the watchman is looking at him.
and a month later it was our Diwali party वगैरह so I heard people talking I mean हमारे नए बिल्डिंग में ना कोई तो एक लड़का है वो पेंटिंग वेंटिंग करता है ऐसा न्यूड व्यूड रखता है
They're telling you this.
yeah they're telling me
Gossiping about you.
yeah about me only
हाय।
एक ऐसा कोई है
तू उसको बोले था 1 मिनट रुक जाओ अंकल.
ऐसे ही खड़े रहो
इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम आई एम अ गुड बॉय मतलब तू अच्छा है यू आर अ गुड बॉय तू ऐसा सब मतलब तू देख के संगत कर अभी कैसा नया बिल्डिंग है तेरे को समझेगा नहीं बट तू बी वेयर बोला ये ऐसे ऐसा
और वो देखो मुझे बेटा तू क्या करता है अंकल मैं तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट हूँ पेंटिंग तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करता
This story is it's a story about my mom because today happens to be my mother's birthday. Okay, yeah. So it's my mother's birthday, and when she was there, when she was alive, what we used to do is we used to do a lot of birthday dinners together. Okay, so it was like a big thing for my mom and I. This is also the same day that many people have their birthdays, but another person that has their birthday who's famous is Lata Mangeshkar, right? So Lata ji and my mom share a birthday. Now, for some reason, this is a matter of pride for my mother, right? Like obviously, like
It is definitely a matter of pride.
it is a matter of pride. Also, my mom, there is no mom. I'm sorry,
मम्मी
I'm sorry, mom. It's you come off nicely in this. I promise. There's no problem.
Not a matter of pride.
आंटी मैं जोक कर रहा था पहले कैजुअल जोक
So and like I don't know why my mom took so much pride in it because it's not like she couldn't sing. Like
लता ताई can sing very
no,
well.
my mom.
यार
And what used to happen is every time, so my mom really liked Chinese food. Okay, she really loved Chinese food, right? Not Sagar type, like good Chinese food. Okay, and no triple Szechuan with my
chicken
mother.
chopper rice.
No, she will chop her. So
Kawa
we would do
Manchurian.
is yes. So what would happen is that my mom and I would invariably go to a Chinese place for dinner, right? And we'd figure out a place and we'd be very excited. It was mom's birthday, and invariably one fight will happen in the afternoon. I'm not going, all of that, and then eventually we would go. Okay, invariably we have spotted Lataji in the restaurant. So invariably, okay. And I'll tell you. So I mean, several birthdays, of course, my mother had with me.
1 second. So you're going to the same restaurant
No.
every year, and
No, we're going to a different Chinese restaurant.
And at each restaurant, Lata Tai is there.
Okay, now it's.
I think your mother and Lata Tai were secretly friends and they're just fucking with Neville.
No.
कितने साल हम लोग.
So, no, it didn't happen every
One day you
birthday.
should have tested it Sagar Chinese and then like Lata Tai shows up.
I'll come to it.
I'm so sorry. Did you say Shezwan? Shezwan fried rice. Asha ke liye noodles.
You spotted her at each Chinese restaurant. you
No,
went
1 minute. So the thing is, obviously, of the many birthdays, this hasn't happened. Like it hasn't happened like every birthday or whatever, but it's happened like it happened 6 or 7 times.
Enough birthdays.
Which in itself is quite like what the fuck, right? Like
Babe, one time is enough. 6 times.
yeah. So and you're going to a different Chinese place every time. So now my mom and me are postulating. Are we going to see Lata Tai this time? This, that. Then we've done theories. We would have chats. And every year same chat. Why does she eat Chinese food? Is the oil less for her throat? All of this is happening, okay? No reason for a conversation, but it's the same conversation. So we once tested this theory. Okay, so it's happened. So you have to understand that, like, whatever, out of the many birthdays, it's 6 or 7 times. So it'll be like once every 2 years, or suddenly then we'll not see her. Then once back to back is all like that. Okay, and it's not like we would go up and be like big fan. No, it was just she was sitting and eating food with her fam, and mom and I were eating. So one birthday, what we decided with my mom, I was like, let's fucking test this. So mom said, yeah, even I don't want Chinese food, let's go. So there used to be a restaurant here called Mela. Okay, that was there near Worli. So mom and I said, we'll go to Mela. We went to Mela. Bro, Lata ji was there, bro!
No way!
Bro, I couldn't believe it. Couldn't believe it of all the chances. So like every time mom and I went out, we would imagine ki if will we meet Lata ji or not.
वो तेरे कान में आ गया.
Chinese खाएंगे हम noodle dim sum.
Okay. गाड़ी. जैसे वाला खाना खा रहे हैं फिर आशा भोसले बोलती है
खलास.
But yeah.
What a sweet story, by the way. Please give it up for Neville, Neville's mom, and Lata Tai.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.